In this video, we will discuss the difference between this kind of estimation question. Okay, number 10, estimate by rounding each number to one significant figure, the value of this, okay, versus this kind of question, which is purely calculation. So let us start with this easier one first. So if I ask you to calculate this, and write down the first 5 digits on your calculator, all you need to do is to, now when you see a fraction sign like that, you have to you have to press this fraction sign, and then you press 2.8, and this is the, okay, I think it's not clear right now. Okay, you press this button here, X, then there's a blank here, right? Then you can power it up to any number you want, 5 in this case, okay? Then minus 5.4, then power it up to any number you want, 3, and you now go to the denominator, and they want square root is this one, 12968.2. After that, you press the equal sign, and you will get this particular answer. Now, I just want to tell you that some of you in your work, you just write this, we will mark you wrong. Why mark you wrong? Because the question asks you to write down the first 5 digits only. So if you write this, I know your calculator says this, okay, but you cannot write this here. You can only look at your calculator and then write down the first 5 digits. Where the first 5? 0 is included. 0 is a digit. The decimal point is not a digit, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 0.1285. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 digits. Okay? Remember, you write this is wrong, this is correct. Alright, so that's for this part here. Then the question asks you to round off your answer to 2 significant figure, right? This is not significant, the 0 in front is not significant, so the first significant figure is here, 1, 2, and you just locate the 2 significant figure, 0.12 something. Then you see the right side of the 2 significant figure here. If it's 5 or more, you round up, so the answer is 0.13. That's it. So this is 2 significant figure. Okay, so this is the way to do this kind of question. You are not doing any estimation at the first part. You simply press calculator. Okay, the rounding off is only at the next part. Now compare this with this other kind of question where they ask you to estimate this by rounding each number to one significant figure. Now when you see this by rounding each number to one significant figure, right, you cannot press calculator yet. You must estimate by rounding off to one significant figure. Okay, one significant figure first. So this is one significant figure, and because this is the number to the right of this one significant figure is not 5 or more, right? Not 5 or more, so you keep this number and you change this to a 0. When you round this off, remember it's not 1. $14.58, you round off cannot be $1 only, right? So you must still maintain the same place value by putting a 0. Okay, must you put 0.00? No, you cannot put 0.00 because the 0.00 are not significant. As long as you tell the examiner that 14.58, let's say dollars, you round to one significant figure is $10, that's sufficient already. But if you put 0.00, we will mark you wrong because 0.00 is not significant. Okay, yeah. So next one significant figure. You see, they want you to round each number to one significant figure. Okay, then you calculate this value. So one significant figure is this first number. You look to the right of this number is 5 or more, you round up, so it's 2. But you cannot write 2, okay, because it's 171 square. This square no need to change anything. So you have to round up. So it's 2, then 0, 0. Okay, 200. You cannot write 2, you cannot write 2 square. How can 100 plus round off to 2? Cannot. So remember this, a very common mistake. And the bottom, this is the first significant figure. Again, on the right is 5 or more, you must round up 4. If you put 4.00, we will mark you wrong. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Any other answer other than this will be marked wrong. Okay, because you don't know how to round off to the correct significant figure. Now, after this, after you have rounded off to one significant figure as instructed by the question, then you press calculator and that's the answer. So compare this type of question with this type of question. Okay, make sure you know the difference, don't get mixed up again.